Good morning mga idol. Ngayong araw is Wednesday. Nag-part-time muna ako kilala mo. Ngayong 10:33 in the morning. Kasi alas 2 pa naman yung pasok ko kay Regent. Kaya nag-part-time muna ako. Sakto, dito lang to. Yung customer ko sa Lalamove. Nag-book siya, sa akin agad pumasok. Kopya to, siguro.
Paano masabi?
Papadala. Dadali naman siya sa Makati. Malapit na tayo mga idol. Yun dito yun si Sir Jamie sa looban. Nag-book si Sir Jamie. Dito yun Ayan na yata. Wala si Ma'am Jamie. Ay, Sir Jamie. Hello, Ma'am. Ayun nga, hopya.
Sana all.
Kung malambot pa yata harapan ko Kunin na natin to. Ito yung sasakyan na Sir Jimmy. Sir Jimmy. Ako. Tumatawag pa ako sir Nakita ko kasi sir, nag-book kayo ulit Time to arrival. Dadalhin sa Makati. Yan lang sir. Kunti yata ngayon sir. 40 lang. Hindi yung nakaraan mo sir, marami sir Ako yung kumuha dito sir. Ibang customer yun. Kay ano to? Apo sir, middle guy. Kabisado ko na yung motor mo sir. Ito sir Tatlo sir. Yung nakaraan mo sir, dami nun dinala na yung pinagdalang ko sir, Maynila naman. Oo sir. Ganito rin sir. Naka-plastic yung iba. Hindi sir, tao lang sir. Yung pinag-anuhan ko din. Babae yung customer nun sir. Yung pinag-deliveran ko nun. Sir. Ma'am Abby, dadalhin. Maglock ka. Ay, pumaglock. Tutumba pa. Tutumba pa yung hopya. Problema. natin. Okay mga idol, nakuha natin yung item at tayo ay pupunta na. Ano nangyari? Hindi ko na naman siya.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want
11 minutes.
I like to be
11 kilometers.
There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life.
Malapit lang. 11 kilometers. 30 minutes.
Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight.
Sir Jamie, dito na ba ako?
Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days.
On the way to Makati.
Change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe. Yeah, I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard?
Si Ma'am Abigail.
You're only young once. Yeah, let's talk.
Si Ma'am Abby.
I also wanna feel you wrong, okay. Living life is
44 Joaquin Makati.
Dito yung street ang papasukan mo.
Apa.
Pero hindi ka dito papasok.
Di pa rin. Sa kabila pa. Dito ako, sa kabila.
Kung nang pasok mo, kanan.
Paano masabi?
Hindi sir.
Na Walter Mark.
Galing ka, dati kasi ako dito, nagtatrabaho.
Hindi mo na mo solo, kanan.
Okay po.
Huwag na huwag kang mangangaliwa.
Gago!
Sige sir, salamat.
Oh, dito lang kami. Hindi kami alis hanggang hapon.
Pwede na!
Kahit ako sir favorite ko to eh.
Sana all.
Ang ganda pala rito. Ngayon lang ako nakapasok dito mga idol. Hello ma'am. Ma'am si LJ po ng Lala Move ma'am. Nandito na po sa pin location. Okay po. Ma'am anong kulay po nung ano ma'am? Yung kulay po ng leaf ma'am. Wala kasi nakita. Ay ito ma'am. Ito po. Itong may sasakyan sa loob ma'am. Okay po. Salamat po. Bye bye po. Si Ma'am Abigail.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone.
Saan po, sir?
Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us.
sir.
Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
Opo.
All I want,
Picturean ko lang sir.
all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I
Sir,
want,
okay na po.
and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Complete delivery. Saan nagbibigay ni Lala Move sa atin?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
117 siya. Pwede magiging 93 pesos. Pwede na.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted.